what's up? I'm Troubleshoot. Welcome back to another video. In this quick guide, I'll be showing you a Dragon Debrief. I'll track it, mark it, and we'll head across to it. It's here in Hogsmeade in the Three Broomsticks. So, speaking to Poppy at the back.
This is a change of pace from our last outing. Don't remind me. The thought of that tent still makes my blood boil. I've been thinking about those poor dragons in the fighting ring. The collars they were wearing, they appeared to be goblin silver. I think a collar is precisely what we found at that poacher camp. I've never known poachers to use anything like that before.
The dragon that attacked my carriage was wearing a collar, and Professor Fig was genuinely baffled by its behavior.
That attack always did strike me as a little strange, seemingly coming out of nowhere. Surely you aren't suggesting that the collars somehow control the poor creatures?
Exactly.
Merlin, I don't think the dragon we set free was wearing a collar, but we should check. And if we can find her, we can return her egg.
That's a good idea. We need to see this through.
I'll start looking into it right away. There was something else that I wanted to discuss with you. I didn't want to press it before. It seems I may have caused you more trouble with Victor Rookwood. Why is he after you?
Rookwood is working with Ranrock, and Ranrock is after something I found at Gringotts. Fig had a port key that led us there after the dragon attack. It's a bit of a long story, and Fig had asked that I not speak of it yet.
Goodness. Well, that certainly helps to shed light on what we saw at the tent. Don't worry, I'll guard your secret as if it were my own. I shan't press for more details. In fact, I should probably be going. I'd like to track that dragon down as soon as I can. I'll let you know when I have news of her location.
And there we go. We've started the next quest, but we'll have to wait for it to begin. Now we finally unlocked Poached Egg, just by playing some more. I'll track it on the map, and we'll head back to Hogsmeade all the way up to the northeast by the North Hogsmeade teleport point. To the right, we'll wait here for daytime, and we should be able to talk to them.
I didn't keep you waiting, did I?
Not at all. I was just at the post office. Gran told me to expect a package, but it looks as if she forgot to send it. She didn't send me an owl this week either. Perhaps she's busy with her research.
What did you find out about the dragon you were tracking?
I realized that she didn't know the poachers had her egg, so when she left Horntail Hall, she would have headed straight to her nest. I went back to the tent and tracked her flight.
Well done. You certainly know what you were doing.
I can't be certain, but I have an idea of one place she may have been heading. I thought we might go and see it for ourselves.
Of course. Shall we leave now?
If that's all right. I want to see how she's faring if she had a collar on. And she's likely frantic about her egg. Here we are. I do think this is where we'll find her. The terrain's typical of where the breed would nest. I suspect it's how the poachers found her to begin with. They likely camped here and logged her patterns. Perhaps nabbed her first and then her egg. Dragons are hard enough to wrangle, let alone maternal ones.
You got all of that from simply standing here.
You'd be surprised how easy it is to think like a poacher. Shall we see if she's home? We only need to return her egg.
That sounds straightforward enough.
We should be in and out. Then we can be finished with the poachers once and for all.
Well then, let's find our dragon and return her egg.
Well, this definitely couldn't end badly.
Flying about, she might take it as a sign of aggression or food. We should stay on foot. Oh, and one more thing. Let's not agitate her. Goodness knows she's been through it.
Well, I can already hear it moving around.
She did make it home safe. Oh, good. It looks as if she wasn't collared like the other dragons.
This definitely could not end badly at all. No chance.
For what it's worth, she doesn't seem to have spotted us yet.
Not at all. Okay, sure, whatever.
At least until we've done. I wonder how many they brought to capture her.
Whichever does not tell us.
Heading up, we need to use Reparo here.
Reparo. There she is again.
She's breathtaking.
From a distance.
And continuing up to the dragon's nest.
I beg your pardon?
I don't imagine the poachers fed her well. And we probably look exactly like her. Hebrideans love sheep.
Watch your step. How lucky for us.
And starved to pick off a grab horn.
Or just raring for a fight.
Quiet, what was that? There's no turning back now.
Well, I can't use invisibility, so I guess we'll just have to run from bit to bit.
Over here!
Wait a minute. I'll run ahead.
Whenever you're ready, I'll follow your lead.
I'll draw her attention. Follow when it's safe.
Easy enough.
Keep at it.
Maybe I can sneak past in time? That I can.
Oh, not even
Speedrunning tactics.
It's a little too. I don't suppose you listen to reason.
If we can get to that image, we can get to the nest. She's leaving.
Brilliant.
There's the nest. We're almost there. Why is every bridge here?
Quickly repairing the bridge here. The bridge couldn't possibly be damaged by the giant dragon, not at all.
Now, if we just return her egg, we'll make it right without too much fuss.
Over here, we'll place the egg. Intense.
That was brilliant. And did you see how clever? She left us perfectly unharmed.
Creatures are a lot cleverer than most people realize.
That's what Gran always says. The important thing is that we survived it, and we returned her egg. Thank you for doing this with me. Wouldn't blame you one bit if you wanted to head back to the castle and never think about dragons again.
Shall we head back? I'm ready if you are.
I am. After our dragon rescue at Hauntow Hall, I half expect to be ambushed by poachers any time I'm not in the castle.
Understandable. We did sabotage their fighting ring and steal a dragon egg from them.
True. So why haven't they come after us? It's not like them to let things lie. Unless
what?
Unless they haven't let things lie. Oh no, I can't believe I didn't see it. We need to leave. I need to send an owl. How could I have been so blind?
And there we go, Poached Egg quest complete. So thank you all for watching, mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!